Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I'm excited because I have a new product to review for you guys. This is one that I've never tried before and it is by Beetles Gel Polish. The set is a set of 12 different colors art gel polishes or polish bottles. They're for doodling. Let me go ahead and show you the box. This is how they come packaged. They're a small bottle. I will go ahead and have them out of the box so you can see. But it's upside down to you. But let me point out to you that I did notice here that the directions for curing these polishes, it does say to cure 60 to 90 seconds. We are used to seeing mostly a 30 to 60 second cure on an LED lamp for regular polishes. I will assume these are very pigmented polishes, being that they are for doodling or creating nail art designs or designs on your nails. So do follow the instructions as shown here in the package. Let's go ahead and remove them from the box and then we'll continue. So here they all are. As you can see, we have a good variation of rainbow colors here. These teeny tiny bottles are 5 ml bottles. Here, I grab this first one so you can see it, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. Let me zoom in. So there, I have you a little bit closer and take a look. I haven't even shaken this up. See how you have the fine bristles here for doodling or creating designs on your nails. Very nice collection. I was looking forward to playing with these. Now what I'm going to do, I already have some gel on my nails and I'm going to play with this and see what I come up with, trying a few colors. I am going to buff the shine off of this because, as you guys know, to work with gels, it's best to work on a rough surface to have good adhesion of the product. Before I do that, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the different colors. Okay guys, so here I have my nails are buffed and dehydrated. That's why my cuticles look awful. Now I know I have these diagonal French tips that I've done, not with these polishes. I did them with something else. I went ahead and grabbed the orange one here. Let's start doodling. And see, I did a test on my thumb just to get a feel for them. And check it out, I haven't top coated. They are cured. These are the primary colors, and yes, they do have other packages. So they have a website. I will go ahead and have it linked at the bottom in the description bar below. They have other sets with, they do have metallics. There is a gold and silver, and they do have black and white as well. So let me I will go ahead and zoom in. Oops, too close. Alright, I do like playing with these. These are fun when I dip my thumbs. So what can we do here? I don't know. You can do fine lines. When you're playing with these, when you press down, you have thicker lines, and as you start lifting, then you start going into more finer lines. There's that for an example. And depending on what the design is, if you're going to connect colors or have colors touch like I did here, it might be better to go ahead and cure each one so that you don't, once you have it perfect, you don't mess that up. If you are going to do a different color next to it, you can always erase it. Let me go ahead and give this a cure. Okay, so I gave that orange color a 10-second flash cure. That's just so that by me putting this one next to it, it doesn't mess it up. I can always wipe off the purple that I'm about to apply here without messing up the orange. So let's see what we can do. Come along here. Something fun and pretty. Follow this right along. How fun is that? Oh, my hand's getting shaky. That's a lot of fun. Oh, let me start grabbing some other colors to play with. Let's see what else can we add. How about some yellow? Here's the yellow. Maybe we can do, you don't have to stick with lines. We can do some dots, or I don't know, let's see. Some patchy colors. Do keep your designs thin, okay? So that's another reason why they might be suggesting the cure of 60 to 90 seconds. Your drawings, doodling with these colors, or any gel really, might tend to be a little thicker than your traditional application when you're covering the whole nail, and it will need some extra time curing. Let's see, what else can we do? Keep playing with the yellow. Let's do like a drop here. How's that? I don't know. I'm just winging it here, guys. Just playing around. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. So here's my doodling completed, guys. This is all finished with my glossy gel top coat. I hope you guys liked it. I know I should have used a dotting tool for the flower, but this was just testing them out. I do like the consistency of the gels, the good viscosity, great pigmentation, very easy to use for linings and things like this. And sometimes when you have larger blob areas, for lack of a better name, maybe you can use it to create the line, the outer edges of your design, but then maybe fill it in with a regular gel polish. But that worked out really well. I'm very pleased with them. Again, check out their website. I will have the link down in the description bar below. They do have other packages with other colors that include, like I said, the gold, the black, white, and silver as well, that are more glittery. These are cream colors, as you can see. There's no glitter in here. Beautiful to play with. I would like to thank Beetles Gel Polish for sending me these beautiful collection to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.